everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. I hope you all are safe, you are healthy, and you're staying home if that is what your state has proposed to you. And if you're an essential worker, I hope you're doing well. I know these months have been very rocky for a lot of us, including myself. I am an essential worker, so I am working every day, but it seems that people's nerves or stressors are a little bit smaller. So something that may have taken them forever to get stressed out about it's very small now. So hopefully everyone is doing well. I have been away from all of you lovely people for about a month. I just been working so much. I work my 40-hour, then I come home. I was doing Instacart, I was grocery shopping, picking that up for people and doing that. And I'm going to continue to do that as well. Mama's got to pay some bills. So I received my very first Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for 2020. Here it is. I did get a gift subscription. I believe it's a 3-month, maybe a 6-month. So I'll be opening these up every month. But with that, I did buy an Ipsy Glam bag, the $12 bag, and I will be doing a video for that as well. And I will show you all the goodies I got in there. I did break my no-buy. I did break it. Y'all can come for me, but it's okay. I bought a few things, and I will be sharing those with you in the next coming week. So let's get started in opening up this box. I'm excited. I don't know what's in it. I didn't really look. I didn't pick anything for this glam bag. I didn't even look at it because you have to like share it to Facebook so you can see the spoilers. I didn't do none of that. So let's see what's inside. So discover yourself. Nice and coated. I love the orange. And let's see what the bag is. This is the bag, Ipsy bag. Oh, it's cute. I like it. Yellow. What color is this? Like, I don't know what color, like pinky color? I don't even know what color this is. So this is kind of nice. Oh, I like the tassel. So that's the bag. And as the inside, it's yellow and it has the silver, yellow and silver lining. This is a nice bag. So we got that. Oh, and if you're watching, I do have a Mercari and an eBay store. I will link them down below as well. That has been keeping me very busy. So if you are here and you are one of my Mercari shoppers or my eBay shoppers, thank you so much. I appreciate all the business that I was getting. It comes in waves, but thank you so much for making purchases. It's helped me tremendously. So again, thank you. So what is this? It says, Ipsy, get that glow. A new season is finally on the horizon. So this is May 2020. And here we go. I forgot about add-ons and all that stuff, but that's what it looks like. It says the ultimate Ipster deal. 9 a.m. set your alarm on the 2nd of each month. Add-on closes on the 3rd. $3. $12 and $18 add-ons. 8, the number of products you can add on. Oh, wow. The cost of shipping is free. And it is $5.21. So if you are an Ipsy shopper, there you go. There's your, it says save the date, choose a product. I don't know what that means. So let's go in. Everything you need to glow. So let's look inside. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. I forgot about how much stuff is usually in these things. Okay, so we got the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. It's what is this stuff? The first thing I'm pulling out. And that's what that looks like. That's nice. I'm going to give this to my daughter. She's always using lip balms and stuff. I can't smell anything. So that's that. Oh, we got Sugar Rush Tarte Sugar Coat Velvet Lipstick. And this is in the color Sprinkle. They had a good sale. Or I don't know if it's still... I don't know if there's still sale. Tarte had a sale where if you buy 3 items, you get 30% off all the items. And then if you had a coupon code, they would take that as well. So that's one of my purchases. So that's coming too. So this is Sprinkle. I'm going to say this is the color of the lipstick. I don't want to open it. But that's that. We got that. I will link down below what everything in here costs because I don't have a total value of this box. Then we have Pure Heals by Nature Village. Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Mask. That's what I think we received samples of this before, so that's what that looks like. And it's probably sealed. I don't want to open any of this stuff. This is good. Yeah, it's sealed. This is good. I've tried the, I think we received a small little sample. I received a small little sample and something, and it works really good. I like this. So this I'll keep. I love peel off masks. So we got that. And then we have the Beautiful Factor. What is this? Oh, Cleansing Gel Balm. Nice. Wow. So that's what that looks like. It's sealed. I don't want to open it in case I don't keep it. But I might just use it. So that's what that looks like. Beautiful Factor Cleansing Gel Balm. Then we got the Invigorating Hand and Body Lotion. Oh, we received essential oils for, yeah, we did. I received essential oils in the Pop Sugar, I think. And they had the oils, and this is the Invigorating Hand and Body Lotion. That comes in handy. I'm going to throw that in my purse because my hands have been so cracked. It's not even funny. And then we have the Dermedicine Advanced Skincare Weightless Face Moisturizer. And it has sage leaf, grape stem cells, green tea, and vitamin E, SPF 25. So that's great to have. I'll be using this because if we don't get to leave our homes, I have a pool, so at least I'll be able to sit by the pool for a little while, and I'm gonna need this. But I have a lot of landscaping to do. If anybody wants to come help me, it's been a nightmare. But anyways, the next thing is Il Maquillage waterproof lip liner, and this is in the color Vintage. Oh, this is a pretty color. It's more of a pink, a rose. I might not keep this. I have a lot of these, and this, I don't think I'm too fond of this color, so that's what that looks like. I'm not fond of the pink, like the pink shades. It's like that. I'm not too fond of those. I prefer the more of the brown tones, the nude tones, so I might not keep this. Might put it on Macari with a few other stuff. And then we also got Beach Goddess Hot Oil Hair Mask with biotin and hair superfoods. Microwave safe heating. Well, I don't have a microwave, so how would I heat this up on the stove? My microwave is broken. It's still broken, and I prefer heating up my food on the stove, so might have to heat this up with like hot water or something. Put it in. Oh, it's like hard. Oh, you have to heat up the whole tube? Yeah, you gotta heat up the whole tube. So maybe I'll just put it in, like boil some water and then just sit this inside some boiling water, because this is hard in there. That's a hair mask. Excited to try that. Then we have, oh yes, I love these brushes. If I showed you my brush, I'd be embarrassed, but this is my brush. It's like very bad, but I love these. So this is Foxy Bay No Fox Given. Oh, No Fox Given. Haha, it's funny. This I will keep. Let's see, can I open this? I don't have any knives around. Let's see if this will help. This is the old school staple remover. Anyways. Oh, so I still rip it. Come on. There we go. I forgot how long it takes to put on makeup. I put on makeup today. I think it took me like 2 hours to do. Oh, okay. Why was I like I was entranced at this little sticker. I don't know why. Anyways. Nice. My hair's so long, but it's cool. I can wait to get a haircut. I'm not pressed. I'm not having issues with, you know, trying to get a haircut and stuff. I can wait. Like it. I like it. I like the brush. It's nice. So that I'm keeping. I already put it through my locks. Then we have 3 more items. So we got some hydrating masks. I like these. I've used these before. So these are nice to have, these masks. I like them. Keep those. Then we have Insanely Intense Tattooed Mini Waterproof Eyeliner by a brand I've never heard before. It's called Scone Cosmetics. And they're cruelty free, and I've never heard of them. I don't want to open it because I have a couple eyeliners that are already open. So don't pay attention to my wicked hands because they're dry. So you got eyeliner in black. Then we got Dominique Cosmetics. Oh, Rustic Glam. Oh, I didn't know this was coming in here. Oh, these are pretty. I only have one other Dominique Cosmetics. I forgot the name of it. But anyways, look at those pretty colors. I can't wait to play with this. I'll probably do another video to show these off. This video is just gonna be quick, just to show off the box, what I received, what's in it. I liked everything. I like this. You know me, I love eyeshadows and I love lip liner. I love lipsticks. There's no lipsticks in here. Well, there is, but not my color scheme. But I can't wait to try this out. This is actually kind of fun. So we got the Dominique Cosmetics palette and Rustic Glam. Yeah, Rustic Glam. So pretty. Look, except it keeps falling out, but that's pretty, isn't it? It's really nice. So we got that. And then we got the brush by Foxy Bay. No fox given. That's kind of cute. Keeping that. Then we have the Beautiful Factor Cleansing Gel Balm. I'm keeping that. And the Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Can't wait to try that. I like peel off masks. Then we have the Il Maquillage. Is that how you say it? Il Maquillage. Vintage Lip Liner. And we have the Scone Cosmetics eyeliner and jet black. And we also received the Sugar Coat by Sugar Rush Tarte. And this is in Sprinkle. We also got the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil by Ciata London. That I'll give to my daughter. She will use any of that stuff. Beach Goddess Hot Oil Hair Mask. I can't wait to try this. Like I said, it's like thick in there. So I can't wait to try that. And the Dermedicine Weightless Face Moisturizer. Give that. That's always good to have. Keep it in your purse. Especially when you're driving as much as I do. I gotta put it on my arm because my arm gets really dark because of the, is it trucker's tan it's called or whatever. Then the Invigorating Hand and Body Lotion. This is in Sweet Orange. And it applied to damp skin. Oh wow, okay. So we'll use that later. So we got that. And then we got the two face masks. So this is worth a lot of, oh, and then the bag. So yeah, this was well worth the 50 bucks. I think it was 50 bucks. I don't know. I don't remember. It's been a long time since I actually bought one, so I can't remember, but I'll link it down below. But I think it is $50. I will link the price here somewhere once I figure out what the total is for the box, because doesn't give you anything. It just says highlighter 101. And how does that even, so how does any of this actually go with what came in the box? Like, you know, highlighter 101 from basics to must try hacks. Here's how to get the most of every formula under the sun. But I didn't get a highlighter in this box, so I guess, I don't know. Anyways, thank you all for being here. I'm gonna film a couple more videos. I missed all of you, and it's been challenging, I'll tell you that. I have been working my butt off. I have been posting so much stuff on my Mercari and eBay, and I've been working a lot of hours and I haven't had any time to myself. So now I'm gonna be making more videos. I have more time. I'm actually drinking my pre-workout because I've been working out every day. So I'm doing that now so I can go downstairs and work out. So thank you all for being here. I truly, truly appreciate you sticking through. I know I've lost a lot of subscribers, but I'm done. I'm not gonna, you know, stress so much on subscriber count and stuff like that. Just know that I'm thinking of everybody. I miss everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Until next time, hasta laters.